Last week, a woman stopped me in the grocery store and said, "You always look so put together. What's your secret?" And I told her the truth, it's not what I'm doing, it's what I stopped doing. There are 7 specific things I eliminated from my routine that instantly took years off my appearance, and the crazy part. Most women with beautiful short haircuts are still doing all 7 without realizing it. Stay right here because number 4 is the one that changed everything for me personally. Hello, gorgeous. Welcome back to Elegance at Any Age, the channel where we celebrate the fact that looking fabulous has absolutely nothing to do with your age or your budget. If this is your first time here, welcome to our community. We're all about real, practical style advice that works in actual everyday life, not just in magazines or on runways. And to my loyal viewers who show up every single week, thank you from the bottom of my heart. You are the reason this channel exists, and I'm so grateful for each of you. Today we're diving into something really important, the 7 style mistakes that are secretly aging you, especially if you have a gorgeous short or medium haircut. But here's the beautiful part, every single mistake has a simple fix that won't cost you a fortune or complicate your life. This is about making things easier, not harder. Before we get into these 7 game changers, I need to ask you something. If you're tired of getting style advice that doesn't actually apply to your real life, or if you're done wasting money on things that don't work, go ahead and subscribe to this channel right now. Click that little bell icon too, because every week we share honest, practical fashion guidance designed for women who want to look incredible without the stress or the price tag. What you're about to learn today is going to genuinely change how you see your wardrobe, and you'll definitely want to be here for what's coming next. Can I be completely honest with you? Most of the time when someone looks older than they feel inside, it has nothing to do with wrinkles, gray hair, or age itself. It has everything to do with small style choices that accidentally send the wrong message to the world. And here's what really breaks my heart, these mistakes are so fixable. We're not talking about expensive makeovers or complicated routines. We're talking about simple awareness and small tweaks that create massive visual impact. When you have a beautiful short or medium haircut, you've already made a bold, modern choice. Your hair is saying, "I'm current, I'm confident, I know who I am." But if the rest of your style doesn't support that message, there's a disconnect that can actually work against you. Today, I'm sharing the 7 mistakes I see most often, and more importantly, the simple solutions that will help you look as vibrant and current as you truly feel. Let's dive in. Mistake 1, matching everything too perfectly. Here's something that might surprise you, when everything matches too perfectly, it actually ages you. I'm talking about matching your shoes to your bag to your belt to your jewelry, all in the exact same color or metal tone. It feels safe and coordinated, but it reads as dated and overly done. With a short haircut that's modern and fresh, overly matched accessories create a disconnect. Your hair says contemporary, but your styling says you're stuck following rules from decades ago. The fix is liberating, embrace intentional mismatching. Mix your metals, wear gold and silver together. Pair brown shoes with a black bag. Let your accessories have personality instead of uniformity. The key word here is intentional. You're not being sloppy, you're being current. When you stop overmatching, you look more relaxed, more confident, and infinitely more modern. Your beautiful haircut gets to shine because you're not creating visual rigidity everywhere else. Mistake 2, wearing your clothes too loose because they feel comfortable. I get it. After years of uncomfortable clothing, you want to feel relaxed in what you wear. But here's the truth bomb, wearing everything loose and baggy doesn't make you look comfortable, it makes you look larger, older, and like you've given up. With a tailored, intentional haircut, oversized clothing creates massive style whiplash. Your neat bob or chic pixie says you care about your appearance, while your shapeless clothes say the opposite. The beautiful fix, find the sweet spot between tight and baggy. Your clothes should skim your body, showing that you have a shape without clinging to every curve. This is where tailoring becomes your best friend. Here's a game changer, buy clothes that fit your shoulders and bust properly, then have them tailored to fit your waist and hips. It costs maybe $10 or $15 per item, but the impact is worth hundreds. When your clothes fit properly, you look taller, slimmer, and infinitely more polished. Your haircut finally has a wardrobe that matches its energy. Mistake 3. Skipping statement earrings because you think they're too much. When you have short or medium hair, your ears are visible, and they become a focal point. Wearing tiny stud earrings or no earrings at all is a missed opportunity that can actually make you look more severe or unfinished. I know you might think statement earrings are too much or too young, but that's where the mistake lives. The right earrings aren't about being flashy, they're about balance and bringing attention to your face. The smart fix: invest in a few pairs of medium to larger earrings that complement your face shape and skin tone. Not costume jewelry that looks cheap, but quality pieces in interesting shapes or beautiful metals. They don't have to be expensive, they just have to be intentional. When you wear earrings that have presence, they frame your face, draw attention upward toward your eyes, and create a finished, polished look that makes your haircut look even more intentional. This one simple change can transform your entire appearance. Mistake 4. Keeping your hair color one flat shade. This is the one that changed everything for me personally. When I stopped coloring my hair one solid, flat color and started adding dimension with lowlights or highlights, suddenly my face looked softer, younger, and more natural. One-dimensional hair color, whether it's solid brown, solid gray, or even solid blonde, can look harsh and dated, especially with a short cut where every strand is visible. It ages your face and makes your features look harder. The transformative fix: ask your stylist for dimension. This doesn't mean dramatic highlights or complicated color. It means adding subtle variation that mimics how hair naturally grows with different tones throughout. Even if you're embracing gray, adding slightly lighter or darker pieces creates depth. This dimensional approach softens your entire look, makes your haircut look more expensive and professionally done, and takes years off your appearance without looking like you're trying too hard. The difference is remarkable, and people will notice without knowing exactly what changed. Mistake 5. Applying blush only to the apples of your cheeks. I learned this from a makeup artist who changed my life. Where you put your blush dramatically affects how old or young you look. Most of us were taught to smile and apply blush to the apples of our cheeks, but that placement actually drags your face down as we age. With a short haircut, your face is fully visible and your makeup placement matters more than ever. Wrong blush placement can emphasize sagging or make you look tired, even when you feel great. The youthful fix: apply your blush slightly higher, on the upper part of your cheekbones and sweep it back toward your temples. This creates lift and brings light to your face in a way that's naturally flattering. Use a shade that's warm and natural, not too pink or too brown. This simple shift in placement works with your haircut to create an overall lifted, fresh appearance. Your face looks more sculpted, more awake, and more current. It takes 30 seconds but makes a noticeable difference every single day. Mistake 6. Choosing bags that are too large or too structured. Your handbag is right there next to your body every day, and it affects your proportions more than you might realize. Oversized, overly structured bags can overwhelm your frame and make you look smaller or more severe, especially when paired with a sleek haircut. The bag becomes part of your silhouette, and when it's wrong, it throws everything off. Too large makes you look shorter and wider. Too rigid makes you look uptight or dated. The proportional fix: choose bags that are scaled to your body. A good rule is that your bag should hit somewhere between your waist and hip, and it should have some softness in structure. Not completely slouchy, but not rigid either. Look for quality materials in classic shapes with minimal hardware. Your bag should complement your outfit and haircut, not compete with them or overwhelm them. When your bag proportions are right, your entire silhouette looks balanced and intentional. Mistake 7. Ignoring your eyebrows or filling them in too harshly. Your eyebrows frame your face, and with a short haircut, they're incredibly visible and important. Overly thin eyebrows from years of plucking make you look dated and older. But filling them in too harshly or too darkly makes you look angry or artificial. This is about finding the sweet spot where your brows look naturally fuller, and frame your eyes beautifully without looking drawn on or fake. The natural fix: work with a professional to find your best brow shape, then maintain it carefully. When filling in sparse areas, use light, feathery strokes with a brow pencil that matches your natural color or is slightly lighter. The goal is definition and fullness that looks like it could be your natural brows, not a statement. Well-groomed, naturally fuller brows work with your short haircut to frame your face beautifully. They lift your eyes, create balance, and instantly make you look more current and polished. This is one area where a small investment in professional help pays off dramatically. Here's what I want you to understand: these 7 mistakes are incredibly common, completely fixable, and none of them require massive investment or complicated routines. They're about awareness, small adjustments, and making intentional choices. Your beautiful short or medium haircut is already doing heavy lifting for your style. When you fix these 7 things, you're finally giving that haircut the support it deserves. Everything starts working together instead of against each other. The women you admire for always looking put together. They've figured out these details. They've eliminated what doesn't work and embraced what does. That's literally the only difference, and now you know exactly what to do. Looking elegant, current, and absolutely beautiful at any age isn't about perfection or following every trend. It's about understanding the small details that make a big impact, and having the confidence to implement them. Your haircut is gorgeous. You've already made a smart, modern choice. Now let these 7 fixes elevate everything else to match that energy. Small changes, massive impact, and a version of yourself that makes you smile every single time you catch your reflection. That's what we're after, and that's exactly what you're going to achieve.